Hey, craft lovers, for today's hashtag ABC, April 2025, prompt W, Wildcard, or whatever, I'm sharing a mind blowing playing card craft that'll transform your jumbo and regular cards into a secret garden of hidden journaling spots. Picture this: playful sailboat fold, layered tuck spots, writing areas, secret accordion insert, and a flippable flap, all wrapped up in a dreamy floral digital paper theme. I've never seen this idea before, and I can't wait to show you how it's done. Let's get crafty. We will need the following supplies to make this playing card craft. Next, you're going to cover your front and back of the jumbo card with your choice of paper, tissue paper, etc. And then you're going to fold at 1 inch. And then you're going to score that line, fold that line, excuse me, a few times. Also, keep in mind how you want to have your paper directionally, and how do you wish to position that. It doesn't really bother me, but if you're finicky about that, it's something to keep in mind. So now we're going to do is a sort of like a sailboat fold, if you will, on the front. And again, we're going to do that on the back, just like so. Next, I want to punch a little notch on the front and the back pockets before I begin to assemble a few additional things. It's not a necessary thing to do, but I like that effect on this playing card craft. And you'll also want to do some of your distressing afterwards, just in case it's something that you wish to do. And here I'm also sharing with you that depending on your journal page, you might want to consider cutting the bottom and also the top so that you'll see afterwards how it will all fall into place. Here I've chosen to add an eyelet, again optional, but it does add a nice accent to this playing card craft. And you can also use a brad if you'd like. It does not have to be a brad, an eyelet, excuse me. I do like to do things differently, as you can tell if you've been on my channel for a while. And now I'm going to add glue on those side parts of the front and the back pockets. Now we're going to work on two writing spots, and I covered two regular playing cards, and I also added the writing paper on the front and the back, and I did cover both playing cards also with digital paper on the front and the back, and I did add a little piece of decorative digital paper just in case. It shows a little bit once you see how it will tuck in the different pockets. Now we're going to work on the secret accordion insert. You're just going to take another regular card, measure it up, and I'm showing you where I'm drawing a few little markers to then cut and ensure that it kind of matches and fits where I would like it to be. And now I covered the flap for the accordion that will fit nicely behind the flap. And it's a piece of just scrap paper, 2 by 10 inches. And I scored every 2 inches. And I made that little envelope cut so that it fits nicely behind that flap. And now what we're going to do is add the eyelet. And that's like a photo corner holder. I've had that for a very long time, so if you have it, use it. And here it is, a mind-blowing playing card mini album with secret garden writing spots, and I'm calling them tuckies. And here's the accordion pull, if you will, that I created and how neatly it tucks behind that secret insert. And now the tags, one will go in the front, the other one will go on the back. I'm hoping that this inspires you to try different ways and different techniques that will hopefully inspire you. And let me know in the comments, would you try this mind blowing idea, or which technique would you love to add to your own journal? Don't wait, like, subscribe, hit that bell because I've got more coming your way. Take care.